Introduction. My company name is Nexgen Infotech Solutions. We are dedicated to pushing the boundaries of technology to create innovative solutions that empower businesses and individuals alike. Established 2018, we have emerged as a leading player in the tech industry, driven by a passion for excellence and a commitment to transforming ideas into reality. Our vision. Our vision is to be at the forefront of technological advancement, leveraging cutting-edge tools and expertise to solve complex problems and simplify everyday tasks. We envision a world where technology enhances efficiency, connectivity, and quality of life. Our mission. Our mission is to provide top-notch technology products and services that cater to the unique needs of our clients. We strive to foster a culture of creativity and innovation within our organization, enabling us to deliver solutions that make a real difference. Core values. Innovation. We thrive on innovation, constantly seeking new ways to improve and disrupt the status quo. Quality. We uphold the highest standards of quality in everything we do, ensuring that our products and services exceed expectations. Customer-centric. Our clients are at the heart of our business, and we are dedicated to providing exceptional customer experiences. Collaboration. We believe in the power of collaboration, both within our team and with our clients, to achieve the best outcomes. What sets us apart? A team of highly skilled and experienced professionals, a track record of successful projects across various industries, a commitment to staying ahead of the technological curve, customized solutions tailored to meet specific client needs, exceptional customer support throughout the journey. Our portfolio. Our portfolio comprises of fire alarm systems, access control systems, biometric systems, intercom systems, intrusion systems, burglar alarm systems, PA systems, audio and video conference systems, and surveillance security systems. We are ready to embrace new challenges and opportunities in the ever-evolving tech landscape. Join us on this exciting journey as we continue to shape the future through technology. Thank you.